Here are some of the best YouTube channels for company secretary students. Icsi e-learning. This official YouTube channel of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, ICSI, offers video lectures, webinars, and study materials on various subjects related to company secretaries. CS Professional Scanner. This channel provides free video lectures, notes, and practice questions for CS professional students. The Smart Academy. The Smart Academy is a popular channel among CS aspirants, offering free video lectures, live sessions, and study materials for company secretary students. Corporate Law Reporter. This channel provides updates on corporate law and secretarial practices, along with video lectures and webinars. Study Khazana. Study Khazana offers free video lectures, notes, and practice questions for company secretary students. CA Amit Talda. CA Amit Talda's channel offers free video lectures and tips for CS students preparing for exams. Kunal Bothra. Kunal Bothra is a well-known technical analyst who offers free video lectures on technical analysis, which is a subject covered in the CS Executive Program. Study by Tech. This channel provides free video lectures, notes, and practice questions for CS executives and professional students. CS Dojo. CS Dojo offers video lectures on programming and coding, which can be helpful for CS professionals looking to expand their skill set. Let's Tute. Let's Tute provides free video lectures and notes on various subjects, including company law and secretarial practices.